Diaz from Alicante in Spain. Yes, walking inside. The dog wants to join me, but we are going to go for a long walk later as a family with our grandparents. So I can't take the dogs now. The dogs will join me later. Now we will talk about Bitcoin, blockchain, and life. Well, I will walk here, beautiful in Spain, like near these beautiful almond trees. They are blossoming. They are really beautiful. Let's wait till the room gets a little bit more viewers. Okay, we already have 21. Good morning. Bom dia, buenos dias. Good morning, Cas. Good morning, Ilya. Good morning, Omega. Sound okay? Thanks for the feedback. Perfect. I'm filming with this dead cat thing on my iPhone. Yeah, this is the driveway. You know, this makes me think always of this commercial in the Netherlands where this guy is on the end of his driveway and he's doing the garden and he realizes he needs to piss and then he runs home, but the driveway is too long, so he pisses in his pants, and it's like that is a disadvantage of buying Bitcoin very early or winning the lotto. So yeah, visiting my parents-in-law. Goedemorgen Harry, good morning Devius, welcome all to the live stream. Happy Sunday everybody. Good morning. Is that Elon Musk over here? Elon Musk! Oh no, it's Elaine. Also good. Wen frikandellen. Selamat pagi, selamat pagi. No, the dog wants to stay there because the dog wants to come. We are going for a walk later again. So now I will do this walk and talk with you guys. And because the dog doesn't need to walk like a few times a day because the ground is really tough over here, so that is not good for his feet. I think that is the reason. Goedemorgen, buenos dias, bom dia. Yes, we have 50 viewers, so we can start to talk about Bitcoin, blockchain, and life. Almost 50k, guys. Yeah, yesterday evening, last night, almost 50k. So maybe tonight we can pump it to 50k. Yeah, you know, I'm always cheerful, happy. Only the last week in Portugal, we were like, you know, it really was like a little bit, yeah, check. Flip-flops, shorts. This is how I want to live. I don't want to live with a hoodie. I don't want to live with the joggings. I don't want to live with snow clothes and like a ski fit outfit. I want to be in shorts and t-shirts, enjoying this beautiful nature, sun, all that stuff. It is about 20 degrees here in the south of Spain, so that's like really nice. Dogecoin for the people, Bitcoin for the institutions. Yeah, whatever, you know, I love Dogecoin, I love Bitcoin, I love Litecoin, I love Ethereum, I love them all. For me, no difference. It's all cryptocurrency. I love everything aside from fiat. So get rid of your fiat, get all into cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, whatever you want. All better than fiat. Carnival money. I wish there was carnival in Holland. Morning. I expect a bommetje. No, I am not a bommetje. Guys, the move was really nice. Yes, we came back here 2 days ago. No, yesterday evening, the day before, 2 days ago. Everything went fine. The trip went fine. We were able to cross the border from Portugal to Spain. All cool there. Spain also feels really nice again. It's always good to see your family back. And yeah, we have some nice dinners and chats, some wines, limoncello, and all that stuff. Where do you walk with masks? I don't see any masks. I'm not walking and wearing a mask. But you know, we will stay here for about a week. I can't say which date we are leaving. I don't want to say it. But we will fly to Mexico next week. So in a couple of days, up to a week, we will be filming from Mexico. But now I need to upgrade my Spanish knowledge. That's why I'm in Spain. Yo, almost 100 already. Okay, this is going fast. The Dutch one went a little bit more slow yesterday. We now, in the English version, we already have 100. What is progression and plans with BFET? Guess, very good question. Of course, you already know the answer. Like you can see in the chat on our Discord server, this morning there was one person, he shared his complete results with the BFET. He started to trade with $150 and then he added another $250, so around $400. He started trading 2 weeks ago with the BFET. He just set the BFET on running with his settings. You can check on the Discord server with settings. And in 2 weeks time, the BFET converted $400 into $950 US. So in 2 weeks time, this guy just had the BFET online. He didn't look at the dips. He didn't look at the few days he made losses. He just trusted the BFET. And the BFET turned $400 into $950 in 2 weeks time. So I think that the Believe shirt, yeah, you can check it in our store. It's like 10 euros or 15 euros, I think, or something. Yeah. So yeah, I think the BFET is working. And again, we are fine-tuning it every day and we are optimizing the settings, but still many people are making profit cash. So yeah, check the Discord server and welcome to the family if you join the Discord server. And you can see what this guy did. He calculated everything in an Excel sheet. He shows you the results. Really cool. He made from 1200. I got 600 from 1200. Amazing, Jellyfish. Thank you. If you want to order next time, send me a direct message because I want to give some discounts to people that already ordered some shirts, and I want to give some discounts to those people that want to order some more stuff just because I'm happy. No reason. Bam, $600 profit. With trading Omega or with the BFET, or what did you do? So everybody sent me some direct messages. I still need to choose who won the 2 shirts yesterday. But that's the Dutch. During the Dutch AMA yesterday, I said, if we get 50 thumbs up, I will give away a shirt. So let's do it also to the English AMA. So the one of yesterday, I will still need to announce. Oops, sorry. There is the dog. I think they escaped. Ah, the dogs are joining me. So the one of yesterday, I still need to give away two t-shirts to the Dutch followers. Today I will do it again the same. If you reach 50 thumbs up, I will give 1 t-shirt away to someone that does a comment down below the video after closing the video, because I can't walk through all the comments that I see during the video. So for the ones that after finishing today's video leaves a comment down below the video, if we get 50 thumbs ups, I am going to give away 1 t-shirt. If we get 100 thumbs ups, I am going to give away 2 t-shirts. If I get 150 thumbs ups, I'm going to give away 3 t-shirts. If I get 200 thumbs ups, I'm going to give away 4 t-shirts. If I get 250 thumbs ups, I'm going to give away 5 t-shirts. So let's do it like this. Every 50 thumbs ups, 1 t-shirt will be given away after I posted this video. Hi J Bro, New Zealand! Sounds amazing. Have been there only once. We loved it. 50 is a fact. First t-shirt will be given away. Of course, Dutch can also join it. Everybody can join it, but please understand, after I finish the video, then leave a comment down below the posted video, because else I can't find them. Ethereum is not doing much. Okay, I talked to you guys about getting into Ethereum around $600 US. Ethereum is now $1,800 US. That's times 3. I think that's pretty much. I think a normal asset like a stock would do like 10 years on this. So I think Ethereum already did pretty good. And I think Ethereum will break 2K and will go to $2,800 US before the end of this month. My beliefs. No financial advice, just a dude. Okay, I'm going to read the questions now and answer them all, because else I'll be talking again. Let me know, what do you want to know, and I will answer the questions in this live AMA Alicante, Spain. Yes, I'm going to make a video I need to start to make a video on the NFTs, exclusive video on NFTs, to educate you what is an NFT, what can we do with an NFT, how can you monetize an NFT, and how can you make profit out of an NFT. So yes, I will make a video about NFTs as soon as I have a little bit more time. The Bitcoin family is growing tremendously, so I need to work 24/7 almost at the moment to keep all the group, same-minded projects, products. It's a lot of work at the moment, but I promise to you guys, I will start to make more videos as long as I get more and more help in the Bitcoin family by the mods and the team members. Groeten uit Limburg, groetjes terug naar Limburg. Alaf. It is carnival in Limburg, in Holland, in my home region in the Netherlands. Australia also now. So we have New Zealand, Australia, England, UK, Holland. My God, we have so many nations in this chat. Okay, and we have almost 100 thumbs up. But I'm talking too much without giving information, and I want to give you guys as much as possible education, information, while I catch breath. It's warm. Brabant! Deutschland ook in the house. Okay guys, so drop the questions. Scotland, Norwegian, Austria, UK. Wow, this is like really multi-culti Bitcoin chat. This is what I love. Indonesian, Rotterdam, Den Bosch. We have so many people in the house. Is somebody from Venlo? Is there somebody from Venlo? No. DeFi similar to ICO scams in 2017. What are tokens utility? Very good question. I'm going to answer all the questions a little bit shorter than normally, because yesterday people told me, Didi, you answer so long questions. Please keep it a little bit more short and punctual. I don't think that ICOs is the same as DeFi. I think DeFi is a new industry, decentralized finance. But in this DeFi industry, there are some projects that can be compared to scam projects in the ICO period, But I don't think that in the ICO period there was a lot of scams. I think it was projects that thought they could realize a certain decentralization of something, but they didn't succeed because they didn't have enough funds. And then they die off, and then they lose community, and then they lose value. So it's not that they start or had an intention to scam people. Of course, there were a few with that intention to scam people, but most of them in the ICO period in 2017 were not intending to scam people. They just died off because they didn't have any community, they didn't have any funds, they couldn't build what they wanted to build. So in this DeFi sector now, we'll see the same. There will be some very successful companies in the DeFi industry that will be building what they promise you guys to build, and they will succeed because they have enough funds, they have a good team, and they have like a passion for this industry. And there will also be some DeFi projects that will be pumping as hell, but at the end die off because they don't have a community and they don't have the skills or the tool set to build what they promised to build. And like that, you need to see it like that. It's not that people really want to scam you in DeFi, but not all DeFi industry projects can survive. Compare it to the internet age in the 90s. There were many search engines. You had Google, you had Yahoo, you had MSN, you had so many search engines. At the end, only 1 or 2 search engines survived. The rest, gone. Let's see. Okay, we go that way. I'm going to walk to the top, and when we arrive at the top, you will have an amazing view. I hope you understand. Avoid these absurd high on Uniswap. I completely agree with you, Maverick. It's shit. Those fees on Uniswap are too high at the moment. I am doing research into a project called Flamingo. I didn't research it yet to the bottom, but I'm researching this project called Flamingo. That should be a decentralized exchange without these high fees. So if you want to help the huge Bitcoin family, help yourself and help me, then join me in this research of Flamingo and check if this decentralized exchange has these huge fees as well. I think Flamingo is built on the Neo blockchain. So let's together as a Bitcoin family research this, because it's going to be very positive for us if we have it. Yes, Polkadot is going to the moon, guys. I hope many of you bought Polkadot, bought Chainlink, bought eGold when I said that you should buy it. I'm going to give you a small scoop. I did an interview yesterday with CNBC, and during that interview, I think it will be published next week or something. They mostly take some time. I talked about my portfolio and which currencies I hodl and how much percentage of which currency I hodl at the moment in my portfolio. So there was also Polkadot, Chainlink, eGold in, and one very surprising one. But you will see that. That's the gem of 2021. Cosmos, yeah. Many good projects. Only 144 viewers, but 80 thumbs up. Almost 100. That's really good. If you track altcoins, do you more than US dollar, but it's p-value? Okay, very good question. Mostly I monitor BTC value during the bear market and the sideways market. So when Bitcoin is crashing, like in 2018 and then 2019 and the beginning of 2020, I calculate always in the BTC value because I don't want to lose Bitcoins during the crash. But now during the bull run, I switch. Sounds really crazy to you guys, but I switch. Then in the bull run, I'm starting to calculate the US dollar Tether or DAI or Paxful value, because I'm going to hedge at the top of this bull run my USD dollars, my stable coin. I'm going to hedge them in a DeFi project where I get a high yield. And I want to calculate how much US dollar Tethers I will have to hedge in one of these high yield giving DeFi platforms. So that is why the first 3 years of the cycle I calculate Bitcoins, then I slowly start the cycle, and then when the cycle slowly starts to go up, I start to calculate dollars, because I will use those dollars to get a high yield in the bear market and live off the interest of that yield in the bear market. Okay, hope that is a little bit clear. Verge. I had already a bag of Verge very early. I'm still holding a bag of Verge. And, I have a full belief in Sunrock that he will come out with some updates and news. Though he needs to make sure that the community will grow as well. Because the community is the important factor in crypto. Family token, of course, I'm going to take a lot of the profits that I will be making. I'm going to provide liquidity in our own family token as well. That's really stupid that I'm saying this, of course. Should I tell you this? Okay, the family token is now like 50 cents almost, like 40 cents, 50 cents. The profits I will be making in the future, I of course will use a huge part of the profits as well to provide liquidity to the family token, because I completely believe in the family token. So yes, that will also show you guys that I believe, and yes, that will make sure that there is a lot of liquidity in the family token. We have now a liquidity of 300,000 US dollar. My goal is 500,000 US dollar. I want to reach a liquidity in the family token of 500,000 US dollar, and after that $1 million. So I will of course use my profits, personal gains, to help the family token. The family token is our own coin. It is the Bitcoin family coin, and it's called family token. You can buy it on Uniswap, and maybe soon on some other places as well. I'm almost at the top, guys. Yeah, that's why I'm breathing like this. Yes, I slept really good. Check, I'm going to show you the beautiful view. Hope you like the view. And with this view, we already have 100 thumbs up. 2 t-shirts will be giving away to people that do leave a comment at the end of this video, down below that video. Check, yeah, you are like, whoa, this guy has problems with walking. No, it's a pretty steep climb I just did in a very fast way to see and share this amazing view with you guys. Check it. Bam. It's very beautiful up here. Eindhoven, Canada. Thanks for being here, guys. Thanks all for being here. So, any more questions? I hope a new all-time high today. Yeah, I hope we break the 50k. Bom dia, buenos dias. Dollar will collapse. It's already collapsing. Is Spain better than Portugal? It's all beautiful. We love Portugal because it's a little bit smaller, and I like it's a little bit cheaper. But we love Spain as well. The people are nice. You know, in Portugal we can walk freely without a mask, and Spain with a mask. So it's comparing apples with pears, but both countries are beautiful. Can you show on interest yields? Couldn't see that. Spain has so much beauty. You can't imagine how beautiful Spain is indeed. This is near Alicante. We will go to Mexico in this week somewhere. We booked the tickets yesterday, and I think yeah, I will show you when we go. You will see on my Instagram and everything that we will be stepping into the plane and everything. We don't want to share it yet, the exact date, because I'm doing all these lives and YouTube shows and everything, and it's kind of lockdown still in Spain, so okay. So I want to be a little bit careful. I don't want to have the risk that they stop me on the border or in Madrid or whatever, you know. Sangria, tapas, fruit, cheese and wine. And don't forget, in Spain we have these really delicious croquetas. Happy Valentine's Day, I think it is, guys. Is it not Valentine's Day today? Okay, you will get the scoop news I'm going to tell you now. Yeah, I'm thirsty. I forgot to drink. Give me a Bacardi Coke, please. Send me a Bacardi Coke through, bam, this screen. It is Valentine's Day. Today is the day that my wife and I are together for a very long time. Happy long time. Bakootje. Guys, pop the questions. I want to help and educate as much as possible people. So please ask a lot. Or do you want me just to talk random bullshit? Because we are in a bullish country, this country of the bulls. The DIDI BAM. You go to didibam.com. You fill 3 fields, your name and your email address and your, I think some more, or the one that referred you, if you have a person that refers you, and then you just push send, and we will send you all the information about the DIDI BAM indicator, or the TikTok indicator, or the BFET indicator. So just go to didibam.com. Family token on Binance. I wish I could tell you something about that, but you know, let me first create a better structure, a better bottom. Next, we are building a very beautiful website for the Bitcoin family, a new website that will include all of you into the family instead of just a website on our Bitcoin family. I am still live. Yeah, somebody is calling me. Oh my God. Yeah. What's the functionality of the family coin? I get this question so often. In short, guys, it will be a coin that we will be creating all kinds of projects and products that people can use for free or by paying. And by the fact that people are using that, we will be making profits, and we will use these profits as a huge Bitcoin family to help poor people all over the world. So the basic function of the family token and the whole Bitcoin family is creating wealth that we then share. And you don't need to share your part of the wealth because you will be making profit because of the products we create. But we, on the back end, we will make profits because of the referral fees we receive from exchanges, and all those fees we put in the fund, and these fees we use to help people all over the world. And that is the use case for family token. And of course, with family tokens you will be able to buy this, you will be able to get a VIP status in the Discord service, and you will be able to get more and more and more advantages if you hodl family tokens. And we are even, you know, talking about maybe debit cards and connections to family tokens, etc. So we will be building out this family brand as a family. You, me, everybody out there, we are the Bitcoin family. And we as the Bitcoin family create projects that make us earn a little bit more wealth by trading, by whatever, investing, and that wealth on the back end will be divided to poor people because we will be connecting all these referral links to the projects. And it's very simple, but the new website on the bitcoinfamily.com will be online in a couple of days, a couple of weeks, I think. And that website will be very clear on the exact thing we are doing as a family token. Any exchange that doesn't have KYC, just try Bybit, just try Dudex, just try Prime XBT. Those are the 3 exchanges without KYC that you can use to trade. Now, it's not complicated. It's really simple, but I will explain it with beautiful graphs and a video on the new website so you completely understand it. It is very exciting and there is a lot of future plans. I can't tell everything, but for example, CPT Hook over there, CPT Hook, he is one of the mods and one of the team, he will be one of the core team members in the family token. CPT Hook, also today a shout out to you, man. Without you, I would have never been able, and without all the other mods as well, but because also of you, I wouldn't have been able to build out this huge family community on the Discord server. So CPT Hook, if you see him messaging here in this chat, give a thumbs up to him as well, because he has been helping me a lot with building out the family and helping me up with setting up all the Discord and the projects. So we are a family, guys. We are family, and this family is going to change the lives of many other families. And that is Captain Hook, yeah. But indeed, CPT is Captain. Sorry. Dumbass. Didi, dumbass! But that is going to change a lot of lives of a lot of families. That is the goal. For my wife, if you're looking this video and you're asking yourself if the dogs are with me, yes, the dogs are with me. I don't know who opened the gates, but the dogs are with me. Sorry guys, any more questions? Here will come. Goedemiddag. Do you stop losses to lock in profits or let it ride? No, of course. I use stop losses, I use the trailing stop loss, and I use the take profit. I prefer the tool, the trailing stop loss. I like that one, and that's why I use Bybit. If you want to use Bybit, please use our referral links because they are all part of this whole family game. You will understand soon. But if you use Bybit, you will be able to do a trailing stop loss. So your stop loss will be increasing automatically while the price rises. So if you sleep and Bitcoin goes up really high, your stop loss will have increased also. So it keeps the distance, for example, of $200 from the price that Bitcoin will be rising to. And then when it peaks down, okay, your trade is ended, but then you have more profit than you use a regular stop loss. That's why I use the trailing stop loss. Yeah, the trailing stop loss is a very important one. That's why you need to sign up to Bybit. Use my referral link to Bybit. Please use it. And then I will educate you with videos on how to use the trailing stop loss, because that one is really important. That will help you make and optimize your profits. Yeah, no, I don't consider private. I don't consider security because we don't live in fear. You know, people, and that we don't hodl the bitcoins in the car or with us. You know, they are hidden somewhere in safes all over Europe, the hardware wallets. We only travel with like 20 or 30% of our bitcoins that we use to trade and to pay for life and all that stuff. So now, you know, I choose not to live in fear. Not in fear for robbery, not in fear for a virus, not in fear for a flu, not in fear for all that stuff. You know, we want to live. And if you want to live, you need to live, and you don't live in fear. Fear kills all your dreams, in my opinion. We already have 122 thumbs ups. When we have 150, 3 t-shirts will be given away. Yes, giving away a lot of t-shirts. Yeah, I will be meeting up with Chris, Crypto, of course, in Mexico. I will be also meeting up with Madelon. So yeah, we will be giving away some cool content, or we will be creating some cool content over there. And of course, that content will also be seen on the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel, and probably also on Crypto's YouTube channel, and also on Madelon's Crypto channel. Carl the Moon, I heard he's traveling also to Mexico. Jeremy DJ, that one, I still forget his number. DJ something, 17, 15, 21, I don't know. But he's also going to Mexico. So many crypto people are there. And I think that the CEO of Polkadot is also in Mexico. And yes, of course, I want to meet the CEO of Polkadot because I believe he created something really cool. And I want to drink a Bacardi Coke with him and talk shit instead of crypto. Ah yeah, DJ 15. You see, I forget the guy. Every time I forget his number. I don't know why. I love the guy. I watched his video when I was not even YouTubing. He did really good predictions on gold and Bitcoin. Really cool guy. The family heading next, Mexico. We are driving. No, we're not driving. We are flying to Mexico next week, and then after that we come back to Spain. And then we take the Bitcoin Machina again, and then we continue the tour when Europe is open again, because we can't do any tour now when all the borders are closed, and we need to do tests and vaccinations and all that stuff. So that is why we're doing a step in between, a 6-week Mexico time, to just kill the time before everything is back to normal here again. And yes, Cuba Libre in Mexico. I would love a Cuba Libre. Trezor and Ledger are the best. In my opinion, Trezor, Ledger, I think there's a new one, it's called SafeKey, also a really very good one. I use the Bitbox as well, and the Bitbox is a really cool one. So I have the Bitbox, the Trezor, the Ledger, and I use, you know what I like about the Ledger? Just to give you a little bit more education on this, the Ledger, that one gives me the opportunity to swap. So a lot of people at the top of the Bitcoin, they want to swap their Bitcoins to a stable coin. And normally, if you want to swap your Bitcoins to a stable coin, you will be moved from a hardware wallet to an exchange to swap them back to a hardware wallet in a stable coin or a DeFi project. The Ledger is one of the wallets that enables you to swap on your hardware wallet. So I really like that. So you will be able on your ledger to not move your Bitcoins out of cold storage, and on the ledger just swap them to US dollar Tether or to DAI or to Paxful or to Family Token, whatever you want. And that is very important because it saves you a lot of time and movement and all that stuff, and also privacy, because you will have it on your ledger and you will keep privacy on your Bitcoins. If you paid your Bitcoins with cash and move them to your ledger, for example, no financial advice, but if you have them on your ledger, you can swap them there to stable currencies without the need of changing all that stuff back. So check the ledger and check the live on the ledger so you understand how that is working. Morning. High fees, sometimes privacy will cost you a little bit of money. And I think the high fees will be changing in the future. And I do think, high fees, you will also have high fees if you send Ethereum or whatever with other blockchains. Come! I need to call the dog, sorry. Kenzo! Hey! Come! Sorry, that is the trouble when you take dogs. Yes, I would love to. Kenzo! Hey! Sorry guys, the dogs are causing problems. Give me 1 second. Kenzo! Hey! Come! Okay, sorry guys. Are you aware? No, I am near Alicante. Es no mío perro. Yeah, they will come. I don't know who's watching the live. Sorry, but there's maybe a dog fight, but it's very far away. Hey, Gento, come, come, come here. Yeah, they will follow me. Sorry. Yeah, where else on the YouTuber that you have dogs that don't listen? It's only here, but they will follow me. They will come. RSR? No, I don't have money in RSR yet. Educate me more. Sorry about this small pushback because of the dogs. They will follow me. RSR, tell me. ENG coin. Don't know anything about ENG coin. Your wife probably won't listen to you. No, my wife doesn't listen to me. I'll only listen to my wife. There is no reason enough for me to even believe that she listens to me. I don't have anything to say. I have four women in my life. You know, I'm a guy. I don't need to. I don't have any control. I like the Ledger N. Yes, I like this really nice hardware wallet, and yes, it will help you tremendously. IOST, yes, I've looked into the project. I didn't buy them yet. I'm still looking into it. And there is the first dog. You see, they listen to me, but they take time to listen. Good boy. Refinance. Okay, guys, some questions. LTC, XLM. Yes, I hodl LTC. I don't hodl XLM anymore. I did hodl them, but I rode the XLM train in 2017, and I sold them with profit. Any more questions? Yeah, it's a really nice dog. This one here, say hello. Yeah, look, yeah, he's nice. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, the other one still needs to learn to listen. He will come. Any more questions, guys? Monero, yes, I have Monero as well. That's my private coin. Heb je vaker geprobeerd om... Svenno. Svenno is one of the sons of a very good friend of me in Holland. And Kenzo! And he didn't believe in Bitcoin, and I told him many times, buy Bitcoins. They just always doubt. But Svenno, if your father would have bought Bitcoins at the moment I told him to buy Bitcoins, he would have bought Bitcoins for 3,000 US dollars, like 2,500 euros. Your father would now be a multi millionaire. No, the dogs are not ours, guys. To be very clear, the dogs belong to my parents-in-law, and there he is coming. They belong to my parents-in-law, so they will stay here in Spain. We are thinking of, as a family, to buy some dogs, small dog, a puppy dog, in the future when we come back to Spain and then drive back to Portugal or the rest of Europe. I don't see the regulations as any problem for Bitcoin. No, I don't see. I don't think there's any problem in these regulations. I think all the regulations and all the KYC stuff that people are now organizing around Bitcoin, it is all not to kill Bitcoin, it is to support the security for the, let's say, the dumb people that don't know how to invest in Bitcoin. So yeah, also of course it will be regulations and KYC. Of course they want to know what you're doing with your money and all that stuff. They want to have full control, but it's not to stop Bitcoin. I don't think they will be doing KYC and all these regulations to try to stop Bitcoin. It is all there to make the whole crypto industry a little bit more safer when it comes to scamming projects and all that stuff. So don't think that those KYCs and regulators, they want to destroy this industry, because they don't want to fight with PayPal. They don't want to fight with MicroStrategy. They don't want to fight with Apple. They don't want to fight with all these billionaires they depend on. Because be very, understand this very, if you understand life, and if you understand how the world works, you will understand this. Every president, every president, every political party, all that stuff that is run by money. And who do you think that is paying all those politicians and all those presidents and all those campaigns? These are paid by billionaires and by huge companies. If those companies buy Bitcoin and sell Bitcoin like they are doing at the moment, there is no government that's going to stop that, because they want to be funded for the next campaign. That is why Bitcoin is not, these KYC regulations are not going to destroy Bitcoin. They are only going to make it stronger and stronger and a little bit more safer when it comes to all these scam coins, scam ICO things. That's my opinion. KMD, I don't know. I invested in that one a couple of months ago and I sold it with a profit. I don't know how they are doing at the moment at the charts. I think Apple. Let's do it in English today. I did it in Dutch yesterday. So I'm going to tell you something very... I am going to tell you how I think that it will go. And I think that you will all understand it maybe and then understand how big this will be. In my opinion, I already made a video on Apple a couple of weeks ago, a month ago. I already said, you guys, PayPal is now stepping inside the crypto market. Apple will follow. I'm going to try and simplify why I believe that Apple will follow. Apple will follow because Apple will have a monopoly position in this market. And what do I mean with this? Apple will be the only company that has all the benefits. Apple has a payment provider. We call that one Apple Pay. Apple has hardware. We call that one the iPhone or the iPad. Apple has a community. So I hope I'm back. Am I back? Yes, sorry. Everybody is calling me. I'm back. Sorry. But everybody keeps calling me. They're all calling me. Oh, Didi, are the dogs with you? Are the dogs with you? And then YouTube, bam, goes out. Sorry. I lost the connection because everybody was calling me and was disturbing my YouTube live. Thank you to my beautiful wife and my kids for disturbing my YouTube live. First time in a couple of weeks that my YouTube live was disrupted because they don't pay attention to the dogs. And now the dogs went after me and they didn't see it. We were at 200 viewers. 200 viewers. So I will continue again from the Apple story. So in my beliefs, Apple, guys, will be the next. Yes, why? Apple will have everything that all the others don't have. Apple has a community, a kick-ass community. Apple has hardware and Apple has a payment provider. This means that Apple will be the only one that will be able to have a hardware wallet built into an iPhone, sell the next iPhone 13 with a built-in Bitcoin hardware wallet, a very secure one, connect that Bitcoin hardware wallet to Apple Pay, so Apple will have a huge influence on the change in Bitcoin. Because if Apple will have this, just imagine, you will have an iPhone with a very secure Bitcoin wallet in your iPhone that is connected, to your Apple Pay, so you can start to use your Bitcoins in combination with Apple Pay on your iPhone to pay for everything in life. PayPal, they can only buy and sell Bitcoins. They don't have hardware to support this. All the other ones, Circle, all those big payment providers that are investing in Bitcoin, they don't have what Apple has. They are only a payment provider. They can buy Bitcoins and sell Bitcoins and buy Bitcoins and sell Bitcoins. Or they can hodl Bitcoins for you as a custodial service. But that's the only thing they have to offer. Apple has to offer everything. A secure wallet, an iPhone, a payment provider, a huge community. Apple, in my opinion, is way bigger news than Tesla. Tesla is also just a company that is trying to multiply their assets, the reserve assets. So Tesla is just a company, and not just, I love Tesla. I love what Elon Musk is doing. Wait, sorry, my apologies. Elon Musk for me now is the king, how he's pumping Bitcoin and how he's spreading the Bitcoin world all over the world, and that all these billion-dollar friends now invest in Bitcoin as well. I love that. But it's just a company that took 1.5 billion of their $1 trillion, whatever they have, and exchanged that one in Bitcoins, and they just hodl Bitcoin to make profit. Really cool. And Elon Musk reaches a lot of people with Twitter. Really cool. But that's not comparable with Apple. Just understand how many people use Apple products. How many people will have an iPhone and receive an update where the iPhone will include a Bitcoin wallet? How many millions of users will have an iPhone sending you this update and you automatically have a Bitcoin wallet that you connect to Apple Pay and you can be able to use your Apple products and everything? That's a shitload of people. All of those people, they will be notified by Apple. That I think Apple, when they will enter, I think you will be I think this news is 10 times bigger than even Tesla. Because, Apple, they are buying Bitcoins as well. And then when they hodl the Bitcoins, of course, they want to pump the Bitcoin price by using their projects, their products, and their Apple Pay service. And then they will increase the Bitcoin value even more. And then they will make profits on their iPhone, on their payment provider, Apple Pay, and on their Bitcoins they hodl. So Apple, yes, huge news, in my opinion, for crypto, if they would access. Hope you understand what I'm saying. We are almost back home. 15 minutes, 10 minutes. BTC will move to proof of work. No, I don't think. To proof of stake, I mean. HODL Ethereum, yes, why not? I HODL Ethereum a long time already. I even added Ethereum when it was 600. So I topped up a lot of Ethereums. So yes, I think that you should you should have considered the same around that time. No, I don't think Bitcoin will ever go to proof of stake. And I don't think it's good. I think it needs to be proof of work. I can tell you a lot about proof of work and proof of stake. I love proof of work. Apple will not be able to create their own cryptocurrency. How will they ever be able to create their own cryptocurrency? Facebook is not allowed to do this. Apple is also, I think, registered in the United States. I don't think they will be able to create an own currency. And why would they do that? Why would they take all that risk if they can use their platform, their community, their knowledge just to onboard all other cryptocurrencies and connect them to Apple Pay? That will make them more money than making an own cryptocurrency. So I don't think it's a logical step to make an own cryptocurrency. Yeah, for me, no. Mexico, we are thinking about Tulum, Playa del Carmen, Cancun. We have never been to Mexico, so it's still we still don't know where exactly we will go. So yeah, one of those cities we will start to have some beach time, and then let's see from there how it is, how safe it is to go to Mexico City with all the flu rules and all that stuff. We will see there. We will see. We live day by day. We don't know yet what exactly we will do. We do know that we are going to fly there. We don't even have a hotel for the first night or something. We still need to book everything. Maybe we'll just go by flow, and take it from there. We have 150 thumbs up, so I'm going to give away 3 t-shirts to people at the end of this video. When this video at the end is being posted, and when the video is being posted, then please leave comments down below the video. I'm going to give away 3 t-shirts now because we have 150 thumbs up to one of those people that commented below the video after I posted it. Yes, and from yesterday, I'm also still need to announce which ones. Well, yesterday were 2 t-shirts I want to give away to the Dutch AMA. Today, 3 already. If we take it to 200 thumbs up, guys, yes, it will be 4 t-shirts. And if we take it to 250 thumbs ups, it will be 5 t-shirts that I will be giving away after this video. Why is Nassim Nicholas Taleb sell his Bitcoin? Claudia, please ask him. I really don't know. I think it's really stupid that he's selling them. Maybe he's selling them, because he's like a little bit fearful that we will crash tremendously at the moment. Or maybe he doesn't believe in the true fundamentals anymore. Maybe he just doesn't understand the complete concept, what we are evolving to. Or maybe he doesn't like that we are evolving to this digital gold instead of a peer-to-peer cash. There can be so many reasons for hardcore Bitcoiners and that they leave Bitcoin. I just go with the flow. The technology evolves, and it evolves like the biggest part of the world wants it to evolve. You can't fight this. You just swim against the stream if you start to fight it. You need to swim with the stream. It makes life a little bit more easy. So that's why I don't know why he's going to sell them. Maybe because maybe he hates Elon Musk, and because Elon is buying, he's selling. You never know what these guys think. Ottawa, Canada. Oh my God, I love to go to Canada once. Er is news that Bitcoin. There is news that Bitcoin could go to 0 in 24 hours. Yes, and fiat could go to 0 also in 24 hours. And in 24 hours, the world can go blank and dark as well. I don't know. Any thoughts on ocean? I love swimming in the ocean. Sorry. The Chinese yuan is already digital. So the Chinese yuan already is the central bank's digital currency. I think the Chinese yuan is the first one that has an official central bank's digital currency that you can use. I think you can also already pay all the taxis and all the DiDi service and all the train services already in China with the Chinese digital yuan. In my opinion, China will be the next biggest country when it comes to reserve currency. So I think the Chinese digital yuan has a huge chance of becoming the world reserve currency, if we not collectively create a new reserve currency that is digital and that is like a centralized one, like a world dollar or whatever, world euro, whatever. I don't know, but I would. Yeah, why not? Yeah, now at the moment it is way more warm here in Spain than Portugal. It is, I think, 20 to 23 degrees. In Portugal was 17, 16 degrees. So it's warmer over here. Check, this you can see, it's warmer. Believe me. LOTV, wie hoog Bitcoin geht. I think we will see 100k very soon, and don't think very soon is next week, but very soon is, I think, in this bull run we will see a 100k. I think now the biggest resistance is around 50k, but if we break 50k, you know what is next? 60k, 70k, 80k. Maybe it will just be a wick into 100k in a night. I don't know, the split of a second, but I believe I'm a strong believer of the stock to flow model. I'm a strong believer of that we will see a Bitcoin price above these levels we are now. I think even better, I think 40k will be the new bottom after this bull run. So if we go to 100k or 150k or 200k, whatever, I think that 40k then will be the new bottom. I think that then everything that you buy now below 40k was like cheap. If we continue this bull cycle algorithm, the logarithmic growth curve, if we keep building up this logarithmic growth curve like we've been doing the last 11 years, yeah, you know, then I can't see any other future. Thanks, Jellyfish, for watching, and see you back on the Discord channel. Sorry, guys, for all the disruptions of the dogs and everything. I hope we didn't lose connection too much. But we already back at 180, almost 200 thumbs ups. That's almost 4 t-shirts, guys. Almost 4 t-shirts I'm going to give away. Yeah, symmetry. Yeah, 40k new bottom. I think it would be a really cool bottom. You know, just imagine we go to 200k and we do the same kind of crash. The crash of 80% we have seen every time. So if we would touch 200k and make an 80% cash, we would fall back to 40k. It sounds ridiculous, but it sounds even, you know, it also sounded ridiculous when we were at 20k, that we were like, oh, are we going to 40k? Nah, that's not possible. You know, it all sounds ridiculous, but it isn't. It just isn't. You just need to believe. The dogs are not mine. The dogs are my parents-in-law, and we are visiting my parents-in-law here for a couple of days before we fly to Mexico. Yes, I did mine Bitcoins in 2013. I still have the bill somewhere from all the hardware we bought, because we built all the miners ourselves at that point with a group of friends. We bought all these mining equipment, motherboards, and all that stuff. And then we started to mine Bitcoins. And we did nice, and of course we saw the crash in 2014 to $200, and of course we disbelieved in 2014 because we crashed from 1200 to 200 or 300 US dollar, and you know, and then we started to mine Dogecoins, and then we all had millions of Dogecoins, and that group that started to mine all those Dogecoins at that time, they still have those million Dogecoins, and 1 million Dogecoin like a week ago was 80,000 US dollar. It didn't cost us 80,000 US dollar times the millions we mined at that point of mining. So Doge mining, the mining of Doge was even more profitable for me than the mining of Bitcoin, I think. Karim, I don't have an exit strategy yet. I'm now designing my exit strategy. I'm going to share this exit. I don't want to call it exit strategy. It's not an exit strategy for me. My strategy is called multiplying your Bitcoin strategy. Multiplying Bitcoin strategy, MBS. That will be the shortcut. Hashtag MBS, multiplying Bitcoin strategy. Because this strategy I'm now calculating, and I will share this for free with all of you. Because I learned a lot from the 2014 crash, I learned a lot from the 2018 crash, and now I know what to do for this crash, if it even will be a crash, and I will share this knowledge on a PDF that I will make available to the VIPs on the family Discord server. First, the VIPs are the people that hodl family tokens. If you hodl 1,000 family tokens, you become a VIP, and then I will, of course, my arm, and then of course I will share this multiplying Bitcoin strategy. It won't be a difficult one, but I'm testing all the products that I'm going to use for this strategy. So yes, I'm going to exchange Bitcoins into a stable coin at the top, near the top. I don't even aim for the perfect top. I aim for my perfect revenue profit goals, and then I will exchange to a stable coin, and then I will use those stable coins to get a high yield, interest on some kind of beautiful DeFi project. And then in the bear market, I will be earning interest on the profits we made. And this interest we live off. And at the bottom, you buy back the Bitcoins, and then you multiply more Bitcoins, of course, than you sold at the top of the Bitcoin bull run. So you sell them at the top, you buy them back at the bottom, and in between you live off the interest on the profit that you can do with all these DeFi projects. And now I am researching all these DeFi projects. So at the moment, I'm analyzing Swissborg, I'm analyzing Meyer from eGold, I'm analyzing Celsius, I'm analyzing Crypto.com, I'm analyzing all these DeFi projects that will be making it able for you to stake currencies, also stable currencies, and reserve and earn interest. And then at the end, I will create a beautiful PDF out of this. This is the moment when I probably will be cashing out 20%, 40%, 20%, another 20%, and we will be using it to hedge or to stake into a stable coin. In the stable coin, I will use to get interest on this platform, blah, blah, blah. That is my multiplying Bitcoin strategy that I will be giving away for free to all of you. You just need to make sure you are a family member on the Discord server. If you are a family member on the Discord server, then yes, you will of course get this strategy for free as first, because I'm going to incentivize people for hodling family tokens, which also of course is something that is really nice because it makes your family token stronger. So if you are a liquidity provider for the family token, you earn rewards every month, and then you have of course a VIP status, and then you get this multiplying Bitcoin strategy first. If you are like a VIP because you hold 1,000 family tokens, you will get it also first. If you're a normal family member, you will also get it first. And for all the others, they just need to wait until I announce it on YouTube or whatever. If you want to join the Discord, then please look down below all the videos I make. You can down below the videos in the comments, there is a link to the Discord server. So mostly I make a comment, and mostly there is also some information about the video where there's a link as well to the Discord server. In Spain at the moment there is a lockdown. Yes, the pubs and everything are closed. I think you need to wear a mask, but we are in a very beautiful area with our parents-in-law, so we do some barbecues, we do some cool food and all that stuff. So now it's not like a huge problem for me. We will fly to Mexico because of those reasons. Yes, of course I like Chinese food as well. Everybody likes Chinese food. Everybody, what I prefer? I think it's called babi panghang. Yeah. Yeah, you can buy some almonds over here, but they first need to grow. It's like now they are blossoming now, almost done with blossoming. Now they are becoming green again. So normally it's like completely white and pinkish, and now it's turning green. And then of course you can in a couple of months, October I think, they will again do all this. I have a YouTube video about that. Dash, dash, dash. Yes, I use Dash many times in Thailand, because in Thailand Dash is very popular. So yes, no, you don't need a vaccine to fly to Mexico. If you want to buy now, I would dollar cost average into BTC or ET, because none of you want to go all in, because then you would have gone all in when I said to go all in around 3,000 US dollar. So now dollar cost average. Hello, buenos dias, España. Mo up and down together, so not much difference. Move, okay, that's what you mean. Yeah, I think Litecoin is going to be a big move as well, guys. I think Litecoin still, we just broke 200K, $200. We still need to go to the previous all-time high, 360 US dollar. That's doubling from here with Litecoin. Same like I said at that time, Ethereum needs to double to reach the all-time high. We were around 1,700, and I said buy Ethereum now because we need to go to 1,400. And now we are even finding 2,000. I think Litecoin still needs to break its previous all-time high. We still need to go to $360 per Litecoin. We are around 200, so we can almost make a 100% profit there in Litecoin. So that's why I added some more Litecoins to my portfolio yesterday again. Are there any more questions, guys? If we have 9 more thumbs ups, I'm going to give away 4 t-shirts. Afterwards, you need to leave a comment down below the video. When I post the video, leave a comment down below that video, and then you make chance on winning one of the 4 t-shirts. For all the newcomers, I'm giving away a t-shirt every 50 thumbs up. So if you have 200 thumbs ups, I will be giving away 4 t-shirts at the end. If you leave a comment down below the video after I did post it. So I need to post the video, then you leave a comment, and between those comments I will choose 4 people that will win one of, and we just surpassed 200 thumbs up. So yes, that's 4 t-shirts that I'm giving away. Maybe I should give away 4 Believe t-shirts. Let me know, do you want to have a Believe t-shirt, or do you want to be able to choose yourself? And there's a very beautiful present from Jens. Thank you, Jens. Thank you, Jens, for the €5. I really appreciate all those gifts every time again. Of course, if I can do anything for you, all the people that send me these gifts and these, I don't even know how you call this, these shout outs here on YouTube. If you ever want to have some personal opinion about something, then please send me just a DM and make a screen share of that you send me that, because, I prefer to help people that give some love. Or Bitcoins. No, Jesus. Yeah, we have 4 t-shirts giving away. Just let me know if you want to have the beliefs, but I can also give you a 100% discount coupon. And then, wait, there was a question: is Bitcoin is the family a security? Family is social money built on the Roll platform. So just check it. It's social money built on the Roll platform, and you can swap it on Uniswap for all the other currencies you want. I love the view. Think the crypto market is doing good. 2021 will be a big green candle. I hope you saw all the videos, and you saw one of those videos that I converted the candles on the charts to yearly candles. And if you look at the charts in yearly candles, we always have one red candle, that's the bearish mark. Then we have a small green candle, a bigger green candle, and a huge green candle, and then again a red candle. And that's how it keeps repeating. We are now building the 3rd green candle. So 2018, that was our red candle. 2019 was a small green sideways candle. 2020 was a little bit bigger greener candle. And now 2021 needs to be the most bullish, biggest green candle of them all. And after that huge green candle 2021, we should be seeing a red candle in 2022. Which doesn't mean that in 2022, in January and February, we can go even higher than the end of 2021. But we will end lower in the end of the year, and that creates a red candle. So that's why I think you need to zoom out and analyze all these charts in a bigger perspective, and then you will see this. Chainlink, yes, I am hodling my Chainlink. You will see an interview I did this weekend with CNBC. I think it will be published next week, and you will see my complete portfolio. I'm sharing it on CBNC, how many percentage I have in Bitcoin, how many in Ethereum, how many in Litecoin, how many in all other projects that I hodl as a portfolio during this bull run. Acapulco, Mexico, yes, I will be there if you're there. Basically, you made your own printing press for these t-shirts, or what do you mean? I don't know. I don't understand what you mean. Can you please tell me what you mean with my own printing press? Because yes, we sell t-shirts and they are printed, but I'm not printing them myself every evening or something, if you think that. 200 views, 208 thumbs ups. I will continue another 7 minutes. Then we have a 70-minute live. You are the man as well, Mr. Repoto. Yes, definitely. So let's continue another 7 minutes. And after those 7 minutes, I will stop. The crypto is corrupt. You can just make coins out of thin air and sell them. And okay, so if you think crypto is corrupt and all that stuff, why are you watching this video? Boom, dia! I am all about Bitcoin, blockchain, and life. But if you don't like Bitcoin or blockchain or life, then I don't think you should be watching this video. I just don't understand. Yeah, I don't understand these comments. Sorry, I'm a simple guy, man. I just believe and I hodl, and then I get these comments. Crypto is a scam. Yeah, okay, it's a scam. If you think it's a scam, then don't look at those videos and just hodl your money at the banks. Maybe that's more safe. You're very welcome, Alessandro. Thank you for all the beautiful comments as well, because, let's focus on the beautiful comments. What do you think about VeChain? I think VeChain is a very cool project. I already bought VeChain in 2017 during the bull run when they announced all the co-working ships with like Renault and all that stuff. I sold my VeChains then around the top. I didn't buy VeChain back yet. I met one of the VeChain community members who is I think one of the biggest influencers in the VeChain world. I had a chat with him, and he was very convincing to buy some VeChain back, but I just saw that VeChain was climbing, so I need to check the exact moment when I will buy some more VeChain. Yes, anyone can make one. Beautiful. We will 50k the end of the month. I think we will be 50k maybe even tomorrow. We were, I think, around 2,000, I think 49,500 this evening or this night. Isn't that true? Yeah, VeChain, BMW. So yeah, there will be a lot of industrial announcement for VeChain, which is positive. I don't know the tokenomics of VeChain. I don't know if VeChain is, if the token is connected to the performance of a company. Like Ripple, you know, Ripple and XRP. XRP can go up and down, but it's not connected to the performance of the Ripple company. So I don't know how in VeChain this is connected. I need to dig into this. I need to educate myself on this and see if this is really connected. You know, when Bitcoin, when VeChain is doing, when BMW and VeChain are doing both good as a company, is the coin VeChain going up? That's the question. Ooh, 49,600 is reached. Okay, maybe we can even reach 50k in the wolf. Yeah, he looks like a wolf. Maybe we can reach 50k now during the next 5 minutes or 4 minutes. Oh my god, the time flies. Okay, any more? Let's do some more short questions. Yeah, the dog belongs to my parents' dog. This one, he's very beautiful. Can you smile? Hello, can you smile? He doesn't want to smile. He smells food. He smells food. Maybe that's a sign we need to buy. Hey, that's a sign. We need to buy Dogecoin. Buy Dogecoin. There is a dog following me. We need to buy Dogecoin. Yeah, Doge, indeed, guys. Okay, we are going up. Oh, many questions. He talks Spanish, the dog. Hola, ¿cómo está? ¿Está bien? Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Está bien? Oui? Sí? No, he doesn't speak Spanish as well. I think he speaks Dutch. Doge to the moon. I need to check Binance. Guys, it is almost, I have 3 minutes left. Let's do this 3 minutes and then I'm going to stop this beautiful Sunday morning here in Spain with the live AMA. I hope I gave you again some education. I hope it's a little bit informative what I'm telling you guys. If you have any advice, if you want to see me doing this stuff different, because you know, I'm not the perfect social media influencer. I'm just a cool dude that has Bitcoins. Even saying that yourself that you're cool. Okay, sorry, that was like very arrogant, but I'm just a dude with some Bitcoins. And let me know in the comments as well, guys, if you want me to change something, if you think, Didi, you should optimize your videos by this, by that. I always love to be educated by you. If you want me to look into projects, join the Bitcoin family Discord server. You can direct message me over there and I will look into these projects. If I like them, we will have a chat. If you want to start to help build out this huge Bitcoin family, or the BFAT, or the Bam Bam indicator, or the Didi, oh my god, or the TikTok indicator. If you want to have more information of all of them, click down below in the video on the link and go to the Discord server, because the Discord server is full with moderators and helpful family members that want to help you get a little bit more knowledge on trading, on blockchain, on life. That's why we are a huge Bitcoin family. So please, to be honest with you, the only blockchain winning isn't even the blockchain. Keep your eyes on IOTA, on the rest. Okay. Quiero Bacardi Coke. Yeah, quiero mucho Bacardi Coke. Cuba Libre, mucho Cuba Libre. So if you want to know more information, please go to the Discord server or go to thebitcoinfamily.com. That website, if you go to the www.thebitcoinfamily.com, you will find on the homepage 4 or 5 buttons. One button is going to our apparel store, to the shops. One button is going to the Discord server, to the Telegram. You can just see, figure it out if you just visit the bitcoinfamily.com. We will stay in Spain for a maximum 1 week. We will fly to Mexico in the next couple of days somewhere, and we'll release the date when it is that far. We also have TikTok, we also have Instagram, we also have Twitter. Please follow us on all these channels. We reached 200 thumbs ups, so I'm going to give away 4 t-shirts today. After I end this video, please, after I end it, comment down below the posted video and I will give away 4 t-shirts to people that commented down below the posted video. Hope you understand it. Not now during the video, but down below the posted video, because I can't search through the whole chat again of a 1 hour to search for the people that did comments. I want to do comments down below the posted video. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it today. And again, always there to educate you, and please educate me as well. Enjoy your beautiful Sunday. Enjoy a beautiful day. And hopefully see you tomorrow again in a in an edited video. Let me also please know, do you prefer these edited videos I make from Monday to Friday, or do you prefer these live videos that I make from Saturday and Sunday? I really want to know, what do you prefer? Do you prefer edited videos, or do you prefer these videos I do live? Because in the live videos I'm not using charts, so I need to find, the combination then. But I will scroll back the last 5 minutes in the comments to see how many of you prefer live above these edited videos. Okay? Again, guys, thank you so much. Steve, thank you. Oh, wow. On the last, that's why I continued another 1 minute. I got another 5 euros. Thank you, Steve. Thank you all for watching again. And please, let me know. Tell me what you want to tell me what you want to see, and I will produce that. And please enjoy this beautiful car while I start to zoom out. 3 live and 23 recorded and 1 day off. This is, of course, the Bitcoin car, guys. Yes. I'm going to show you a Bitcoin bike. If I have enough Bitcoins in the future, this will be my Bitcoin bike. Check. Because of the golden color of Bitcoin. Some people are talking about VeChain and BMW. There is your VeChain and BMW bike. And of course, that belongs to my father-in-law.
Very happy.
And my very beautiful mother-in-law. She's gone. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully see you tomorrow again in one of the edited videos. Have a beautiful Sunday. Enjoy your day to the fullest, because that is exactly what life should be about. Bye. The car from the inside, we will do that the next time, because I'm going to pimp the car from the inside into a Bitcoin mobile in the inside as well. It's quite ugly at the moment. I need to pimp it first before I show the inside. Houdoe, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye, and see you tomorrow.